Hello and welcome to Digi8.com.
In this video, we are going to cover the topic on problem solving. Now let's start with the definition of problem solving. Problems can be resolved swiftly and efficiently with the help of problem solving abilities. One of the primary skills that is sought by employers while recruiting employees is their problem solving skills. This is because people who are capable of solving problems efficiently are generally self-reliant. Recognizing underlying problems and executing solutions is necessary in order to have problem-solving abilities. Since it cannot be learned through coaching or education, it is considered a soft skill instead of a hard skill. Moving on to problem-solving skills. First, innovation. New uncommon problems or complicated issues will need to be solved with a more rational and organized approach which requires innovative thinking. Next, researching ability. Research is generally needed to interpret and resolve issues. Next, teamwork skills. Inputs from other individuals can help resolve and interpret many issues well. Teamwork is not just important at work, but is equally important in school and homes. Next, emotional intelligence. The effect of an issue or its resolution on a person and others must be taken into consideration. The ability to identify the sentiments of oneself and others is known as emotional intelligence, which helps resolve issues appropriately. Next, management of risk. Some amount of risk is involved with resolving issues. One must compare not resolving the issue with risk involved in resolving them. Next, skills for decision making. The ability to make decisions is connected to resolving problems. Since people who resolve issues encounter the presence of a lot of alternatives and options, decision making skills are crucial to resolving problems. Next, how to improve your problem solving skills. First, obtain more field related technical knowledge. Resolving issues becomes easier when a person has a lot of technical knowledge of the industry. Practice, extra course of work or training can help a person obtain additional technical knowledge. Next, pursue opportunities to resolve issues. People tend to uncover more chances of resolving issues when they put themselves in new circumstances. They may uncover chances to volunteer for fresh projects in their existing roles, beyond the place of work for other companies or on other teams. Next, solve mock problems. It can be beneficial to role play and rehearse while honing one's problem solving abilities. Scenarios to rehearse problem-solving abilities can be found online in addition to professional books for practice. And finally, note others' people's way of resolving problems. One's co-workers may have exceptional problem-solving skills. Watching how they resolve issues may help improve one's own abilities. One must ask their co-workers who have more expertise if their methods can be observed. One may be able to apply these methods in their own profession by asking pertinent questions. Moving on to stages of problem-solving. Various steps needed to be followed in order to resolve issues effectively are: first, recognizing problems. Identifying the existence of a problem, recognizing its nature, and outlining the problem is what constitutes the stage. Although it may sound apparent, this initial stage of problem solving needs a lot of evaluation and deliberation. Next, understanding the problem. A period of monitoring, seeking facts, examination, and understanding the problem clearly is part of the stage. After recognizing this issue, structuring it is mainly about acquiring more knowledge about the issue and understanding it better. Third, seeking possible resolutions. A lot of approaches need to be gathered at this stage without thoroughly analyzing them. From the data obtained from the previous two stages, possible resolutions need to be sought for the recognized issue. Next, arriving at a decision. This is the most complicated stage of the process of resolving issues. Each possible resolution gathered in the previous stage need to be evaluated in this stage. Factors like budgets or deadlines make some solutions impossible. Arriving at a decision itself is a crucial skill, and in the end, the best approach needs to be decided. And then execution. Acknowledging and executing the desired approach is what constitutes the stage. Execution refers to performing the decided solution. One might face many issues while executing, especially if the stages of recognizing the problem or structuring it were left incomplete. And finally, observing and pursuing feedback. This phase consists of evaluating the results of problem solving. This is done over a particular time span and involves pursuing feedbacks for the effectiveness of the results that the decided resolution yield. And finally, a problem solving example. In this case, Steve Jobs and Elon Musk. They both faced many problems, succeeded tremendously, and endured many losses throughout their career. The approaches of Steve Jobs and Musk towards resolving issues are very different, even though they as people have a lot of similarities. Elon Musk constantly tries to seek fresh ways of performing tasks and is a fundamental thinker. He is known for redesigning processes right from the beginning. On the other hand, Steve Jobs got his inspiration from surroundings, making him an analogy-based thinker. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on problem solving. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video.
Thank you and see you in the next video.